So they went up there this time, Enigmites, on purpose in October 1972. They were looking for these. They wanted it. They wanted an encounter. And so what they did was they went up to the first night, right? And these things did not disappoint. They started encountering the very high, strange vocalizations, right? That people call, affectionately samurai chatter, right? But this time the creatures actually encircled the camp. And they were staying just beyond the firelight in the tree line, which is not hard to do actually in the woods at night. And there was occasional rocks being chucked at their, little encampment there, I guess, Steve, right? Mm-hmm. Throughout the night. And so, Steve, this is not the first time we've heard about this. They're staying just on the edge of the light and chucking humming rocks, right? That's something, right? And that's common with a lot of Bigfoot stories as well. A lot of Bigfoot encounters, right?